Okay, good morning guys. So today is Saturday, rest day ko, and super lamig ngayon. The temperature right now is 9 degrees Celsius. Pero kapag sa Fahrenheit, that is 49 degrees. Pero syempre, Pilipino tayo, di pa tayo makamove on. Celsius muna tayo. So it's 9 degrees today. Rest day ko. And right now, kakadrop ko lang kay Michi sa work niya. So right now, sobrang foggy. Here, let me show it to you guys. Sobrang foggy ngayon. Yan. Sa highway, anywhere today. Sobrang foggy. So, kung napanood nyo yung episode 1, thank you for watching. And sobrang awkward doon sa mag-vlog. Walang magawa eh. So, dito, sobrang laki ng US. I mean, work lang. So, you have to do something. Nakakapagod mag-OT. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero for now, siguro mag-ano muna tayo. Papahinga muna tayo. So, every weekend, I'll do videos in reviving this bike. So, ngayon, so papagas muna ako. So, wala na akong gas. And then, we're going to Cycle Gear. Okay yun, motorcycle shop yun. Bibili tayo ng gamit for panglinis ng motorcycle. And then, after that, uwi. Tapos, maglilinis tayo ng car. Ng motorcycle. So, yan. So, come with me today. Tour ko kayo sa area namin. So, medyo awkward. Awkward na mag-vlog. Putik yan. But then again, let's just do this. You know, for fun. Malapit lang dito yung gasolinahan. So, pagas mo tayo. Before tayo pumunta sa Cycle Gear. Malapit lang naman yung Cycle Gear. Nasa 10 minutes away. Ay, magpagas. First, ito ang credit card or debit card. Tap. Okay, wait lang dyan to start cooling. So, pili ka ng gas. Normally, pinipili ko is 89. So, 54.59. Ano ang resibo? Yun, yung resibo. Okay, let's go. So, it cost me $54.59. So, let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo Cycle Gear. Okay, let's go. Okay, dito na tayo sa Cycle Gear. And some riders are here. Yeah, sir. Up, sir. Okay, tara. AutoZone pala dun, ha? So, welcome to Cycle Gear. Ayan yung Harley Davidson, ha? Bibili tayo ng gamit. Oh, wow. Nice. Welcome to Cycle Gear. Helmet sila. Cardo. X5. Helmet. Dami helmet. Fox. O'Neill. LS2. Alpine Star. Belt. $40. 100%. The price is free. $200. Fox. Oh, hoodie. Ganda ng hoodie. At ang pinunta natin dito ay kumuha ng brush. Brush lang ito kailangan ko. Ito yung panloob to eh. Ito, palabas. Detailing brush. Balikan ko na lang to. Para meron akong reason to come back. So, get this. It's only $5. Ito, $5 din. Pwede panloob. And then wash mitt. Oh yeah, all night. XSR 700. Indonesia 400. So that's it. We got our stuff. Total $16. And so and so. Pumunta sa Harley Davidson kaso ano, nahiya ako. Time to go home. Okay, so we got everything we need. Okay, last look, Cycle Gear. See you again soon. Okay, nandito tayo sa bahay. It's already past 1. Actually, kanina pa ako sa bahay. So, nagkape lang ako saglit. And right now, today, we're going to clean everything. Ang goal lang naman natin dito, makita natin yung bike and kung ano yung mga sira niya. Or after so many years na hindi nagamit, 4 years na hindi nagamit, naugasan, whatever, ulan, you know, with all the weather here. Let's see kung ano mangyayari. So, lilinisin ko to dito sa maliit na garahe. Actually, problema to eh. Kasi masikip. So, kailangan ko tanggalin yung mga gamit. bahala na. Pero, kailangan ko magbihis. Okay? Nakakapalitan yung damit ko. Bibihis muna ako. There you go. Representing Boss Ironman. Okay, dahil bumalik ang Boss Ironman, representing Boss Ironman, finisher 2024. 2025, wala silang Boss Ironman because of controversies, but now I'm happy that they are back. And I'm happy that my friends are going back again. Si Paul, Denmark, and some teammates. Okay, sa akin, dumakauwi. But then again, represent. Dito na lang ako Boss Ironman. Okay, so let's clean this one up and para makapaghugas na tayo. Alright, let's go. Okay, POV shot tayo. So ito, kailangan ko galawin to. Kasi kailangan ko na space. Oh God, basa. Oh. Oh. Come over. Tapos ito. Diyan muna sila. Tapos nakalimutan ko kunin yung susi. Unang upo. Oh my God. Oh. Ang gear ba to? Ay, pumunta siya. Ayan, okay na yan. Ano to? Nakita ko eh. Nakita akong something. So, ano to? Saan to? Sa suspension. Suspension nata to eh. Oh. Adjuster? Or nose? Malambot siya oh. Okay, Google. Mamaya. Mamaya na yan. Kailangan ko tanggalin itong windshield na to kasi wala nang masilbi, hindi ko magagamitin yan eh. Okay, tanggal ko na rin sa wakas. Hirap tanggalin. Okay. Shit. Kaskas lang pa. Diyan ka muna. Ang scooter ka kata. There you go. Here we go. Yan, oh. Ganda, oh. Solid build. Ayan na. Ayan na po. Nabasa na natin. Nakagyo pa, oh. Okay, let's go. Linisin natin yung mga cobwebs. Okay, ayusin na natin. Okay. So ayan, tapos na. So this bike is cleaned and well washed, I hope. So kung napanood nyo yung episode 1, so purely introduction talaga ng SB650. So before we do anything, before tools, before fixing, literally fixing everything, anything, doing something, kailangan makita talaga natin yung kung ano yung tsura niya. So right now, we're keeping it simple. So this bike is not really perfect, no? Siguro marami pa siyang sira na hindi pa natin nakikita. Pero sana wala siyang sira, major na sira. Yung madali lang ayusin. But so far, at least this is a progress for me. Una hindi ko na-appreciate kasi madumi. Pero ngayon malinis na, na-appreciate ko na siya. So next episode natin would be changing the fuel, and tataas natin itong gas tank. And then yung battery, tatagalin ko na talaga siya next episode. And then check yung air filter kasi baka may nakatira na sa loob eh. So at kung washable siya yung air filter, which is okay yun, hugasan ko na lang. Pero kung hindi, palit, no? And then next will be yung gulong, no? Matik yan, 2 gulong yan. So hindi ko alam magkano yung gulong dito sa US. Check natin kung magkano. So that's it. I think that's all for this episode. And let's see kung saan tayo magkakamali. No? Sana wala. Walang gasto sa iba. No? But the goal is really to make this bike start. Alright, that's it for today. See you on the next one.